Welcome to the mesmerizing world of natural salt harvesting. As the sun casts its golden rays upon the vast salt fields, a symphony of nature's elements unfolds. Nestled by the serene coastline, these salt pans become a canvas where earth, wind, and water collaborate to create something truly extraordinary. Our story begins with vast salt pans glistening under the warm sunlight. These pristine landscapes, carefully selected for their unique geographical features, provide the perfect environment for salt production. Dedicated workers, armed with time-honored knowledge and expertise, prepare the salt pans for the upcoming harvest. They carefully level the surfaces and create intricate networks of channels to allow the controlled flow of seawater. As the tide rolls in, the salt pans are filled with crystal clear seawater. This is the lifeblood of the salt harvesting process, carrying within it the rich minerals and flavors that will eventually infuse the salt crystals. The freshly harvested salt crystals are then taken to be gently washed and purified, removing any impurities. Afterward, they are spread out to dry under the warm sunlight, allowing them to reach their optimal texture and moisture content. Once fully dried, the salt crystals are carefully packaged, preserving their purity and flavors. Each package becomes a vessel, carrying the story of the land and the dedication of those who have lovingly crafted this natural treasure.